I guarantee you've never seen anything like it. The reveal of
ASR's newest
channel car. One of one.
1, 3. Where is it?
I've told you it's this place.
No way.
I'm
Where
telling you,
is
I'm
it,
telling
Werner?
you. It's that one.
Which one?
This one. Oh no, it's not that one. Aha! I think it's
Ha!
that one.
Looks like that.
Well, we can look.
Check it. Check it. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Don't check it. Don't check it.
So guys, this will actually be
Yes.
the reveal
Of
ASR's newest.
channel car.
part of the family.
Yeah. One of one.
No, it's one of one in the world.
Okay.
I guarantee you've never seen anything like it.
Never. Even myself. I've never seen it. It's more or less a Batmobile, but not completely.
Yeah, we used to call it the GTWZ.
What the hell is even that?
Sponsored by Werner, the drone pilot.
Oh well.
Let's see what it is.
1, 3. What the f is that?
It is what it is.
It's a Nissan Langley, but no, actually, it's a Nissan pickup. It says on the papers, yeah.
Yeah, Nissan pickup Langley
Yeah,
pickup.
It was a Nissan Langley because my father rather bought a BMW than to buy a bakkie for the business, so we converted this into a bakkie that time.
This is something else that no one has ever seen, even myself. Who's going to be the driver, you guys?
All of us.
Definitely not me. I can't drive. So we're going to call this the ASR Kamikaze, né? And there's a lot of things going to change, and you are going to help us.
Yeah. You are going to decide what we do with this.
What color, what not, what. Definitely the exhaust pipes at the back. It looks very nice, Werner, but that we will lose. So yeah, guys, there's a lot to do on this bakkie. It's not So it's not going to be a 1 month, 2 month, 3 month project.
No.
We're going to get everyone and anyone involved.
If you are watching the channel and you are maybe not a sponsor or you just found us, donations are welcome. Anything you have, seats, turbo, wheels.
Maybe an RS3 engine. That's not going to work here, but I can maybe
We
sell it
can
for
four-wheel drive convert it if we really want to.
Well, we can put in a 5-cylinder, yeah, I'm not scared.
And all our sponsors will
Corporate.
yeah, you see, me and English.
He's from British, he doesn't speak English.
Let's find out if it starts.
Let's see.
It's been sitting for how long?
It was about 687,100 billion years ago.
Close to 8 years now,
That's unfortunate.
unfortunately.
Let's start this mother.
Give it
Hey
a...
guys, we've got some ginger beer here. You can see it's been sitting for quite a while, this trucky. Okay, let's try it, you guys, in 3, 2, 1.
So as you can see guys, it's got no motor.
Unfortunately.
Yeah, Werner up.
Yeah, the motor actually went to something else.
There, it looks like a rear wheel drive. This is a front wheel drive, you guys. Well, we're going to
And
make
even-
an engine choice, a
And
color
you-
choice.
You will decide.
You will decide, yeah, of course.
Wheel choice.
Body style choice.
Yes.
Gonna have to do a roll cage because the aim is for this thing to see some track days as well.
Of course, yeah. It's not going to be the fastest, not for the first 10 years. From there we will.
Yeah, we'll try and upgrade it
Yeah,
as we go.
of course. Hello!
Can't remember what's happening at the bottom here.
What the f is this?
Oh, that's a solar panel.
Oh.
I wanted to convert it to electric vehicle also on the stage.
Sometimes my genius is. It's almost frightening.
We've got a
Yeah, I
battery
think
box?
That used to be for sound.
Okay, I thought it's a battery box, but okay.
Yeah, no. But it's got a quite decent loading bay, so if we want to use it to load some bricks or something.
Please help us, né? Help us to convert this thing into something nice. But I think that's about it, guys.
This won't be taking over the features and anything.
No. It's just going to be some extra content. So we will start
By cleaning it.
by cleaning it in the next few. We just have a little bit of a busy time now, but we will start in a few weeks' time, I think. So remember, give us a please call me or something on Facebook, or what do you call it, YouTube, if you want to be part of this build. I hope you are just as, what do you call it, opgewonden?
As we
Excited.
I hope you are just as I almost said sex.
are excited.
I hope you're just as excited as we are at ASR, Africa's Sickest Rides.
Peace out.